Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Chase online banking, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Chase bank login in Google. So once you do that, you will be able to see a link at top on the screen. So you need to tap on that link, and now you'll be redirected to the official side of the Chase online banking, where you can see there is a sign in option at the top right corner of this dashboard or this page. So let's tap on that sign in option, and now finally you'll be redirected to the official login page of the Chase bank, where you can see it is asking us for our username and our password and our token as well. But if you disable this use token option, then yeah, it will only ask you for your username and your password. And finally, once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the sign in, and yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. But right above the sign in option, you can see there is a remember me option. So if you check mark this remember me, then yeah, your credentials or your username gonna be saved in this browser successfully, or this device as well. So, and yeah, just down below of this sign in option, you can see there is a forget username / password. So which it basically means is, by chance if you have forgotten your username or password, then simply tap on that option, and yeah, you will be redirected to the another page where you need to verify yourself and complete few more formalities. So once you verify yourself, you will be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Chase online banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.